I got the keys. Like, I am just so happy, like super happy. I moved into my new apartment yesterday and I love it. Like, I do love it. The place is super cool, very nice. I don't know, it's so beautiful. So in today's video, I am taking you around those apartments, inside, outside, every nook and cranny of this house. You would see it because you deserve to see it. I mean, and housing in France is actually very difficult. Like, it's so difficult to find a house here. But I mean, all favored, yeah. So it was super easy. God came through again. So I'm going to take you around. It's actually a 4-bedroom house, which means I have 3 flatmates. You meet them later, but not now. This is where all the magic is going to happen. All the videos that you see from France will come from this room. So let's go see my new place. So this is the house. Let me take you inside. Okay, so I am on the first floor, okay? Okay, so this is the kitchen. Very big, dope. You can see the school from here. That's a school. Yeah. It's dope. I love it. And then let's check the hall. This is the sitting room, or whatever you call it. There's no TV here. I think it's okay as long as you have your laptop, you survive. Yeah. And this is our petite dining table where we just sit and have fun and cook and eat. And then there is the small table here. Then we have a petite shelf here that we keep our books on and other things. And from here you see some beautiful gardens out there. The balcony, let's check it out. Ouch. It's hard to open. Really. This is my beautiful balcony outside the building. That's how it looks like, and I love it. I think I can shoot some videos here when I'm free and I don't have a class. Yeah, the sky is so beautiful. Anyways, the room tour, so let's get back inside. Now let's go first. So this is where we try our things, like this. Yeah. The restroom is the toilet. It's clean with some toiletries up there. And then this is the washroom. Not bad. Can take some pictures. Yeah. The sink. Some drawers down there. That's yeah, stuff here. There's nothing here. This is the storeroom. Here we have all the washing stuff and then the washing machine, all those things that you need, you know. Yeah. So this is one of the bedrooms, and then this is a washroom here. And now this one, There's a bath. I have a social. It's spacious here, and yeah, you can see outside from here. Let's just go and check my room. There's another room here, and then there's another room here with no one here at the moment. And now to my magical room. Okay, so this is me. This is my bedroom where I sleep, do whatever I want to do. But I love it because of this place where I can just peep outside to see the beauty of the environment. Yeah, and it's dope. Yeah, that's my ring light. I never go without it, you know. And then there is this cabinet here that I put my stuff in. I actually love this little lamp here because I can't sleep without light in the room, you understand? So I usually turn it on because normally in the evening I'll go here for the entire place to become dark, so I'll just turn on my little lamp so that the entire room would have a little bit of light. So I'm yet to get some things into the room and then move some things out, of which I don't even know how to go about it because yeah, I'm that bad when it comes to decoration, you know. So you would definitely do that with me. So yeah, this is me. How was it? I hope you enjoyed the video. Do you like my place? Because I love it. I don't even know. I don't care whether you like it or not. I do love it. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy and thankful. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know, what do you think we can bring in to make it more nice, or remove to make it more okay. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. See you in my next video, and